Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about this Poye Signature Series Large Grab and Go. And this is an awesome product that we carry. It's one of my personal favorite products that we carry. I use it all the time as my toiletry bag, but also this is a new variation of the bag. This is part of our Poye Signature Series. It has this great stamp on the front that features the signature of our founder, Camille Poye. And it's also available in this really cool new canvas color. It's similar to our canvas that you may recognize from before, our khaki and our wax khaki colors, but it's a little bit different. It's kind of an in-between color of the two. It's also available with black detailing here, which looks really nice with that stamp. Like I said, this bag can be used as a toiletry bag, but there are so many other uses for it. You can use this to store tools. It's great for an emergency roadside kit in your car as it fits great underneath the seat. You can use it for storage for your kids, for like toys. It's a great lunch box if your kids bring lunch to school, things like that. There's almost endless uses, and you can also hang it on either end with a clip or on a hook. So other than that, the bag is very, very simple. The inside is just a large interior pocket. It's great for storage. It's great for taking things places, inserting into a different bag to keep things organized, that kind of thing. As always, our products are guaranteed for life on craftsmanship and hardware and proudly made in America. Thanks for tuning in about our Poye Signature Series Large Grab and Go, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.